topics that I've chosen to discuss are Management Information System, Transaction Processing System, and Expert System. So the first one is Management Information System, for which, in the words of Walter I. Cañaveral, it is a formal method of collecting timely information in a presentable form in order to facilitate effective decision-making and implementation, in order to carry out organizational operations for the purpose of achieving the organizational goals. It can be said that Management Information System is a system that provides relevant information to the managers to take decisions effectively and implement the operations accordingly. MIS is a systematic function which provides relevant and useful information in the form of reports for carrying the operations of the organization effectively. MIS is characterized as follows. Management orientation. MIS is management-oriented. MIS is planned according to the information needs of the management. Second is management-directed. MIS is management-oriented, hence, management directs the establishment and implementation in the organization. Integrated system. MIS is an integrated system which coordinates the information from different areas to cater to the information needs of the managers efficiently. Common data flows. MIS should avoid duplication and redundancy in collection, storage, and transmission of data. Future-oriented. MIS is designed to serve the needs and objectives of the business in an efficient manner. MIS should be flexible enough to incorporate appropriate changes in the future. Computerized. All activities of MIS such as collection, processing, and dissemination of data are done through electronic media. The importance of MIS is the following. MIS is useful for efficient and effective planning and control functions of the management. MIS provides report giving information about the performance of different resources like materials and machinery. MIS also gives information about deviations or deficiencies of actual performance from the standards. Management can take timely action regarding this. MIS also gives information regarding the strength of the organization so that it can take advantage of its strengths. MIS helps in coordinating the activities of different departments by interlinking them through information networks. With strong MIS, chances of misunderstandings in different departments are least. Four types of MIS are TPS, or Transaction Processing System. This system processes a large volume of routine, recurring transactions. The Operations Information System. These systems gather comprehensive data, organize it, and summarize it in a form that is useful for managers. The Decision Support System. This helps managers with the necessary information to make intelligent decisions. The Expert System. They are meant to mimic humans in making decisions in a specific field. Therefore, MIS are made for speedy access to accurate data and to help the managers achieve their goals. MIS is so useful in the organization which it creates an impact on the organization's performance, function, and of course, productivity. The second one is TPS, or Transaction Processing System, which is an information processing system for business transactions involving the collection, modification, and retrieval of all transaction data. Characteristics of TPS includes performance, reliability, and consistency. The finance and accounting TPS major functions would typically include budgeting, the nominal ledger, and invoicing. The system might be split into a number of modules including nominal ledger, accounts receivable, budgeting, and treasury management. The human resource TPS major function would typically include personnel records, benefits, salaries, labor relations, and training. The system might be split into a number of modules including payroll, employee records, employee benefits, career path, or appraisal. The feature of TPS or rapid response, which is a performance is fast with a rapid response in critical times. The second one is continuous availability, wherein the system must be available during the time period when the user are entering transactions. The third one is data integrity, wherein the system must be able to handle hardware or software problems without corrupting data, and ease of use. Often users of TPS are casual users. The two-way to process transaction is real-time processing, also called online processing, where data is processed immediately after a transaction occurs. Examples are check clearing or flight reservation. The batch processing, where transaction data are accumulated over a period of time and processed periodically. Example is payroll system. The examples of TPS are sales order entry, online payment, flight reservation, manufacturing and shipping, payroll, and employer record. My analysis for TPS is that processing in which a system responds to a user's command to carry out some operation to and for. The request from command is called transaction, and system carrying it out is called TPS. Example for this is cash machines. TPS are systems working at a low level of any organizational structure being operated by data entry operations to collect and store data which is needed to be transported then to decisional level of organizations. But it is important to make sure nothing goes wrong at this level of handling data before it is transported to upper level to be manipulated and then making decisions based on information provided. And I conclude that to ensure the organization can reach their goals effectively and efficiently, TPS play a specific role. TPS is very useful in support of the activities of the business organization. The last topic is expert system. An expert system is an AI or artificial intelligence software that uses knowledge stored in a knowledge base to solve problems that usually require a human expert, thus preserving human expert's knowledge and its knowledge base. They can advise users as well as provide explanations to them about how they reach a particular conclusion or advice. Some examples of expert system are NYCIN, one of the earliest expert systems based on backward chaining. It can identify various bacteria that can cause severe infections and can also recommend drugs based on the person's weight. Danjol, it was an artificial intelligence-based expert system used for chemical analysis. PXDS, it could easily determine the type and the degree of lung cancer in a patient based on the data. The purpose of an expert system is to provide reasonable advice at a comparable level to that provided by a human expert. This capability has two main aims: to enhance the abilities of leading experts in certain fields and to make high level of expertise available to less highly qualified practitioners. And I conclude that expert systems give a big role in medical field and for the people to easily detect and diagnose symptoms or disease that the patient may face. It is mainly developed using AI concepts tools, and technologies.